Good morning, class 6. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 12, that is electricity and circuits. And today we will discuss about the topic that is called safety measures. In the whole chapter 12, we had discussed about the different electric equipment and how can we make an electric circuit. Now today we will discuss about the safety measures. In the last class when I discussed about conductors and insulators, I told you that there are some materials which do not allow electricity to pass through them, and they are called insulators or bad conductors, like rubber, wood, thermocol, plastic, cloths. These are the bad conductors of electricity. They don't allow electricity to flow from them. Then comes the conductors, the materials which allow the electricity to pass through them. They are called the conductors. So now today we will talk about the safety measures when we are working with electricity. So class, as electricity is very important and very useful for us, and it is also very dangerous for us. A little mistake and it will take your life, or you will suffer a lot. So we are using electricity, but we have to use it very carefully. What will happen when somehow you are exposed to electric current? The charges or the electrons will come and hit your cells and tissue. Suppose if you touch, somehow this finger touch to the electric, that part of the electric circuit where electric current is flowing, so electrons continuously come and hit this part, and the flow of electricity, you understood how fast it is. So continuous coming and hitting, it will create a huge amount of heat. So that is why the area which is touched to the electricity, that burn in a few seconds. The cells, the tissues burn, and this area becomes blue, black, or totally burned. Third degree burn or severe burning is there. So whenever you are using electricity, use it very carefully. Now we will discuss about some steps of safety. At your home, whenever you are facing problem with electric equipments or electric circuits, generally you be called an electrician, a person who knows how to work with the circuits, or sometimes sorry for the interruption. Suddenly load shedding is there, electricity gone, and we are talking about electricity. So here is the thing, that whenever we are facing some problem due to electricity or electric circuits or any electric appliance, we call a person who knows about it. And if you observe this person, you will see that how much careful he is. First of all, he is using rubber gloves. Most of the time, the persons maintain the safety rules that they use rubber gloves. Then if you observe the shoes of that person, that is the proper way of working electricity. But some people nowadays, they are very smart. They think what will happen and they will keep working. They will use shoes which is made of rubber, and then they touch the electric circuit or any electric part, because these are the bad conductors and they will not allow the electricity to flow from his body, because human body is a good conductor of electricity. So they are using rubber gloves and rubber shoes or sandals. Then if you observe the instrument of this person, their handles are covered with insulators. So these are the two basic things you will observe. Sometimes you observe that they ask for a wooden table or a wooden wood part of a piece of wood. On that they stand and they work. And one of the most important thing what we will observe, they switch off the main switch, they switched it off. And also there is a handle, they also pull it off. Then if MCBs are there, they ask you to switch off the MCBs also, because electricity is a very dangerous thing which will hurt you. Now if you observe the wires are also covered with an insulated material, and if at some places this insulated material is broken or destroyed, he will cover it with a tape, black tape or green color or red color of tape is there, and he will cover it properly. Because if you inside the insulated material there is a copper wire or silver wire or aluminum wire, if you touch it, then you will get an electric shock. They will get an electric shock. Now here is the thing that we have to take care, or we have to be very careful when we are working with electricity. So class, I hope you are able to understand the safety measures when we are working with electricity. Have a great day class. Be safe at home. Thank you.